So this is the situation in the shop after an install. Let's clean it up. Way better. Now we need to set up all these new bolts in these jars. First up, let's take the old bolts out. Now that they're all empty, let's take the names and put them on the jars. So I'll take it out. We'll cut it up with a knife. Take it out. Flip it around. Double-sided tape. And we'll tape it on. The same for all of them. Amazing. Now let's fill them up with screws. From this one, you can still smell the coffee. Looks great. Don't forget you get the bit in the box. So put it aside. Now let's put them with all the boys. Amazing. Now I know what I need. What's the dimensions of each one of them. Like and sub for more.